Gumil Komerc is a privately owned company that manufactures milking machines. It was established in 1982. There are currently 20 employees working for the company. Gumil Komerc is located in Inđije and has a well-equipped production facility area of some 2,000 square meters. Its production consists of a drive for cutting, processing, tire production drive, non-ferrous metals foundries, plastic injection drive, locksmith drive, assembly, and tool room. One of Gumil Komerc's main products, milking apparatus, has been fully adapted to European standards.